Your energy is either repelling or attracting. Some people think they can block the energy or their mind from people reading it. You can only block your thoughts to that energy. Your energy still speaks like a language to those that can listen. This listening comes through feeling. Often when someone is trying to hide something they do not want others to know, this will come out in a judgment. It'll come out in other ways. But their thoughts on that subject will think that they don't know. Yet everyone knows, to those that can listen. If you're not getting what should be coming to you, this is not necessarily what you want, but it is what you need, then this is related to your energy and that which you are doing through your thoughts. For this is the root of your energy, from your subconscious mind, from your conscious mind. It is only when we change that thought can we actually change our energy. And that thought must come from the root cause of who we are. It must come from the root cause of our purpose. And this can only come when we let go. Thank you for listening. Follow for more.